This is Aaron with anetcomputers.com with another video today. This one deals with how to receive Toyota RAV4 battery recall replacement. Now with Toyota, as is other automobile manufacturers, they do have a history of recalls. This one deals with a replacement battery. So let me cut to the chase and I will tell you exactly how to receive the replacement battery. What to do if your recreational active vehicle 4 is affected by the recall. These Toyota recreational active vehicle 4s were model year 2013 to 2018. Now if you own a 2013 to 2018 recreational active vehicle 4, also known as RAV4, that is an acronym that I just told you what it stands for. You can check to see if your vehicle is affected by the recall by visiting the official Toyota website. So if you browse to toyota.com, look under recalls, look under voluntary recalls, and they actually have a page where you enter in your 17-digit vehicle identification number. Also, you can call Toyota customer service at 1-800-331-4331, 1-800-331-4331. Again, 1-800-331-4331. And I already went over how you can enter in your vehicle identification number on the official Toyota website. Also, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website also has a vehicle identification number lookup. You just type in the 17-digit number from your Toyota vehicle and it'll tell you whether or not there is a outstanding recall that you can take advantage of. You know what I'm saying? So if your recreational active vehicle 4 is affected by the recall, Toyota Corporation, they claim that they will notify you, I think, by postal mail. I don't know how they could obtain everybody's address and what if you move or what if it's not correct, but that's what they claim. If you don't receive the notice in the snail mail, the postal mail, you can then also schedule an appointment with your local Toyota dealership to have the battery hold down clamp, the battery tray, and the positive terminal cover replaced. Those parts would all be replaced at, they claim, for free, no additional charge. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, how much time do I have left? Okay, I have about 5 minutes. Wow. So I cut to the chase and I told you how to receive Toyota RAV4 battery recall replacement. All right? I can just kind of go over what actually the recall is about. It seems to only affect Toyota recreational active vehicle 4 vehicles between 2013 and 2018. I'm not sure why that is. And it deals with the replacement batteries. So if you purchase a replacement battery, there is some kind of imperfection. It actually, down further, I think it is better. Yeah, some of the replacement batteries have smaller top dimensions than the original battery that came with that vehicle. If that smaller battery is then installed and the hold down clamp is not tightened correctly, this is bizarre, but this is what they claim. I guess the clamps aren't tightened correctly. What could potentially happen is that the battery could move during aggressive driving. These vehicles are 4x4s, you know what I'm saying? But even if you make sharp turns, they claim that the battery could move around. And the possibility is that the positive battery terminal contact will touch the clamp contact, which could short circuit and risking a fire. Now, I think, yeah, they're not aware that any fires have occurred or any accidents relating to this, to the recall batteries, but they're still going to go ahead with the recall. It's a voluntary recall. The government did not force them, you know what I'm saying? And so I already gave you the full instructions, you know what I'm saying? And then these are just some tips, but that's basically what it's about, and it's really odd to me. It's really bizarre. We're well into the 2000s. Humans have been driving vehicles for over 100 years. 12-volt batteries, vehicle batteries, have been around for decades and decades, and yet, what? The clamp wasn't tight enough? Really? And when I studied this one, I found a similar problem with Toyotas with batteries. And it was kind of similar. And it's like, what? How is that possible in this day and age? You're spending tens of thousands of dollars on these vehicles, and yet the clamp isn't tight enough, or it's just like, do they even test any of this? Now they claim that there have been no fires or accidents, but still, it's absurd to me that this occurs in this day and age. Oh, that's right. I don't drive vehicles. I save money by not driving. But if I, own one of these vehicles, I'd probably be pissed off if I found that out. Now, some more additional details. At the time of this blog post creation and video creation, Toyota admits that 1 million, what was the exact number? I think it was 1,840,000 vehicles are affected because they're from the 2013 to the 2018 model years. You know what I'm saying? I have about 1 more minute left. I think that's enough. You know what I'm saying? I gave you all the instructions, so all you have to do is look up your vehicle identification number. If you have one of these Toyota RAV4s from 2013 to 2018, they'll replace everything, basically. The battery hold-down clamp, the battery tray, and the positive terminal cover will all get replaced. You know what I'm saying? Bizarre. You can always browse to anetcomputers.com to fix your most common computer problems. Also, you can obtain online computer technical support. If you ever need online computer technical support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, you can ask a computer technician out and they will try to solve your computer problem. I have partnered with a third-party company that have, I don't know if I want to share, but I used to have a connection to this company that is different the way it is now, but I don't trust anybody on YouTube, and I don't really trust people on the internet, so I think I'm not going to divulge my specifics about my connection to this third-party company. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I know for a fact that they have a lot of technicians. I don't know about in the thousands in the information technology, but definitely in the hundreds. Hundreds of vetted and verified computer technicians. You can communicate them over real-time text chat, SMS text message, telephone, video, and even remotely. One of their technicians could remotely connect to your Toyota RAV4 and fix the bizarre battery clamp not tightened. I mean, oops, my bad. That's not possible. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think that's really absurd and just bizarre. But anyways, I digress back. They can remotely connect into your computer and potentially solve your computer problem. You can always browse to anetcomputers.com to fix your most common computer problems, find out all the platforms I'm available. One of them is youtube.com/anetcomputers with an S plural. I'm also on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitch.tv, Trova.live, and Rumble. Adios! And I guess nowadays what you have to do is you have to verify everything. Is my battery tightened? Are you kidding me? And I mean, it's just absurd. What, don't they have safety? Don't they have covers and caps that are fire resistant on the battery posts and the clamps? And this is just a bizarre one. But hey, at least Toyota's doing something about it. And they'll replace those parts for free. That's what they claim. Adios. Be careful be careful with those battery clamps. Adios.